And our raclette dinner is ready. We're having raclette for dinner. I got the baby Dutch yellow potatoes from Sprouts yesterday. I just need to steam the potatoes on this like steamer that was gifted to me by Odd Cook. This is the brand name. I'll put the link down below. This is super duper useful. So if you need to steam like small batches of potatoes like this, or like dumplings, or like fish fillet, you can use this. And then you can use the bottom part to cook, like to saute, to boil, to make soup. So this is like one cookware that could do a lot of stuff. So you could like also like fry eggs here. So from breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and even like snacking, you can use this one. Again, this is like Odd Cook, and I'll put the link down below. So this is our raclette. We are eating in the living room. This is the raclette, and we have some like the, I don't know how it is called, kind of like the pan that like is used to melt the cheese, which is like right here. Let's get the I have, it's where I store like most of our baking dishes. So probably need like one extra, so I prepare like 4. Potatoes are cooked. If you're here in the US and would like to do like a raclette, the raclette cheese is usually the cheese that is already like cut for raclette. It's usually available at Whole Foods, sometimes at Amazon Fresh, and then this is like from Sprouts. I think you also have it at Trader Joe's. So those like stores, if you go to those stores, so they are cut into like this size, perfect for the raclette pan. And our raclette dinner is ready. I have the raclette cheese here, the potatoes, the pickles, tomatoes, zucchini, green beans, broccolini, and I have the cold cuts ready too, prosciutto, capocollo, and then the salami. And then I have the grapes here, kind of like when you eat sushi and you have the pickled ginger. So when you kind of like get tired of eating the like savory dishes, you can eat grapes and then continue with the other stuff, more of to neutralize your like taste. So let's move to the living room.
And we can cook the meat here. Oh, enough of the veggies. Put some meat. Cheers!
Guys!
Cheers to our raclette dinner!
Cheers! And now I'm adding the prosciutto. Yum yum! Look at the cheese bubbling. Nice! I'll put tomatoes. And then I'll put this here.
Wow!
Yummy.
Now the cheese is hot.
Oh my. I'm making another one. This is husband's raclette. That's his creation.
Put it back on.
Now I'm going to slide this here into my potatoes, vegetables, and prosciutto.
Yummy.
Sorry, I should use the... No more vegetables left. Prosciutto is almost done too. The other plate is finished. This is mine, this is mine, this is the husband's. Oh, the husband has a lot of stuff. This is mine. And this is my third batch. So nothing is left. We finished everything. I love to decorate with photo frames or picture frames, as you can see from here. So today I'm super excited to unbox with you this set of photo frames that were sent to me by Vile Abbey. That is the company name. So it came in a box like this, really neatly like packaged, so it won't like break during shipping. It included the nails like this. Love this type of nails. They are wrapped individually like this. These are very elegant photo frames to showcase your like beautiful travel memories, or your children growing up, or your artwork if you are into painting, or even if you are into like cross stitching, you can put them here too, and then you could mix and match. So these are 8 by 10, and then this comes in different sizes. So you have the options to get like 8 by 10, 4 by 4, 4 by 6, 5 by 7, and then again this is 8 by 10, and then 11 by 14. So those are the different sizes. You could have them like how I have here, like the same size, or you could mix and match. Like for example, you get like 11 by 14, and then you mix and match it with like smaller sizes. This is a really nice way to showcase your favorite like memories like through photos. For example, I have here an artwork that we got from the Picasso Museum in Barcelona. I could use this to put in here. If you have a child, then maybe like a wall of like while they're growing up. So for example, from 1 year old to 12 years old, or from like 1 month to like 12 months. So you could have like a story, a conversation piece. This is made of tempered glass. Look at how elegant. This like gold like edging or like trim makes it like so elegant. When you are thinking of like what to decorate after you put down your holiday decorations, this is also like perfect one. So you could play with the different sizes too. I have the 11 by 14 here, and then I added the 8 by 10. So it's really nice, you see, and then it gives a pop of color. So instead of like having all white or all brown, now you have like an exciting like set of colors here, and then you can have like the smaller sizes in between. This is the back. It has this very sturdy like stand, and then it has like you have the option to hang this vertically or horizontally, like through here and then through here. I highly recommend this if you are thinking of like how to decorate like a blank wall, or even like a console table. Please click the link down below if you are interested. It's 8:15 in the morning. Tagiolo. I think it's okay today. It's a beautiful day today. It is really nice when you are wearing a cardigan too, like this one. You put on your Apple Watch as quick as this and take it out as quick as that. Super excited to show you this stylish watch band for Apple Watch that was gifted to me by Bandletic. Look at like the style. It's so sporty. This comes in like 3 different colors: orange, army green, and black. I picked orange because I like orange. And this is this buckle. This Fieldlock V buckle is German engineered. This is like magnetic, so it just snaps like that. The regular watch band is not that user friendly. Like, you know, it takes time to like put it on, right? Like this, and then you have to like do this and like insert it there. There you go. Whereas this one is like really easy. You just like it, because it's magnetic, you just snap it and it's done like that. And I really like the sporty style. So this is so perfect when like for any occasion. Like, it's really stylish. Look at this. This is made of high quality V nylon, and I really like the like athletic or sporty like design. Aside from the like super quick like release, super easy to wear like that, I really like the style. I like that it has like writing here. So this is so perfect when you are into sports, or even when you are jogging, or like when you are working out. It's really cool. I really like it. See, this is a super cool watch band for Apple Watch. I highly recommend this one. I'll put the link down below if you are interested. We have some leftover standing rib roast in the fridge, so I'll make soup for dinner. I found this like seasoning from the Vietnamese market. This is the seasoning that I found from we got this from the Vietnamese market. So I'll make it like a soup with sort of like Vietnamese like touch. I'll harvest some basil in the backyard garden. We used to have like Italian basil and then Thai basil, but Italian basil, they usually die when it gets colder. Now we have Thai basil, which is growing year round. We have that like plant for about 3 years now. Our basil is here. This used to be our herb garden, but now we only have like a few herbs here. I am going to like fix this again, like turn this into like a really herb garden. This is so very fragrant. And then let's harvest like lemon. Are not super ripe yet. Let's just harvest one. So add on to our for our soup. And then let's do one more. Let's pick the ones that are like almost ripe. This one. So we have that like sour taste to squeeze onto our like soup. So we have 2 lemons and then the basil. Both are like super fragrant. Change the plan. Husband wanted the bottle gourd and then the glass noodles instead. So here's what I ended up cooking. We're having English breakfast. Josh is still asleep. And then we are eating starting the morning with like some sweet cookies. So this is English breakfast. I'm having tea with the husband. Box of Belgian cookies from Trader Joe's, and it has like 2 layers. This and then there's another layer there. Let's try this first.